activities right throughout the Korean War. Long-range bombing we've really enjoyed having you here today. Okay, well, someone's just pointed to their watch. Your metric is 1.6 kilometers, about 6,000 feet. The red one, Squadron Leader Ben Murphy, or Baz as we call him on the team, is in his 5th year with the Red Arrows this year. The only man to have done this in the past is Ray Hanna, very famously involved with the initial conception of the Red Arrows in 1965. Baz is a former Harrier pilot with the Royal Air Force. The Harrier went out of service at the end of last year, but not before most, if not all, of today's Harrier pilots have seen operational service in Afghanistan Red Arrows this year. And as Red 1 calls for the roll to start, today the lowest aircraft that we see now, not only has the roll to match Red 1 and for the fact, he's got to pitch forward, but right back at the tower, he's a lot of right rudder to maintain his formation position. Red 2 has re-acknowledged the change, so Red 2 is going to make the front right wing of our typhoon formation. Smiley was born in Zambia, grew up in South Africa for the first 10 years of his life between Cape Town and Johannesburg. Spent his early days wrestling white rhinos on the plains of the Kruger, National Park, I expect. But he came back to the UK at the age of 10 and eventually graduated from Wyndham College in Norfolk and joined the Royal Air Force to become a Tornado GR4 pilot. He served on 13 Squadron RF Mara, recently disbanded, but saw operational service before reaching over Iraq. So you hear Red 1 emphasise the word roll in the command and roll, and on the R of roll, all of the pilots can anticipate their own control inputs and manoeuvre at exactly the same time as Red 1. And that's how we fly a nice, rigid Apollo twister. And of course, as I said, we're very patriotic, so for the first time today, the red, white, blue smoke is on. As they switch it out to white. And set up for the second part of this manoeuvre. Now, if you take a look at the back left of the formation, the lowest aircraft you can see at the moment is Red 5. And Red 5 this year is Flight Lieutenant Kirsty Stewart. Kirsty's the first ever female Red Arrow pilot. Good time for all girls to cheer. Well done, Kirsty. And Kirsty's in her 2nd year with the team. Now, she was inspired to become a pilot herself by her father formation as Red 1 pulls up a 4G and changes to Eagle. Eagle's still a long wide formation. There's Red 4 just sliding into position there on the left hand side as we look at them. Red 4 is the second of the new pilots on the team this year. Flight Lieutenant John Eddie. Very far away from the there. They have working hard, lots of power on the top there. They have one of the team Harrier pilots recently dismantled the American force. There's a cutting force squadron in its time, and they ran soul searching operations system. Now, Red 3 is Flight Lieutenant Sean Cunningham, making a nice job on the side of the chicane. Sean's a former Tornado pilot with the Royal Air Force. He too was born in South Africa, actually, although we don't think he crossed paths with Smiley. And he served on 617 Squadron, the famous Dambuster Squadron on our RAF Monty-Mount. blue smoke comes on as ready, flies the goose. On the left-hand side, he's going to a steep climb. We call this manoeuvre the steep climb. Perhaps you think something better than that. They're just over at the top, actually, to go down in there, so I'll see it's on me. Let's look at the quote for a sec. Now, properties on the left-hand side, he's found a 16 bend here. Predictable 16 bend. Red 7 on the right is red 7 on the drop for avoidance. He's found a 16. This manoeuvre is called the vertical breaking corner clover. So we started off with a twist towards the crown. He's rolling back now to about 140 knots, or 200 miles an hour. About 40 degrees to the side. Lingering in the